Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your TanTan account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen, guys, I already do have a TanTan app, and to simply delete it, I'm going to tap on it to open this. You can see that this is my particular home page right here on my TanTan. So to delete it, I'm going to tap on Me option, which is present on the bottom right corner of the screen. So this will take you to your profile. All you have to do is tap on settings just below verify your profile. So you can see you've got lots of options over here. All you gotta do is tap on account and security just below data and storage. This will take you to another option where you have an option of phone number, updating your password, or deleting your account. So to delete your account, simply gotta tap on delete your account. First of all, we need to give a reason that why we'd love to leave and delete it. So I'm gonna do is tap on any of the reason and then tap on OK option. So you can see that's being loaded, guys. And yes, my account was successfully deleted. And I can confirm and exit as well. So this is how you do it, guys, how you delete your TanTan account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.